beep beep. The Plymouth Runner returns. Muscle car enthusiasts and history buffs, buckle up. Today we're taking a trip down memory lane with a modern twist. We're diving into the much-anticipated return of a legend, the Plymouth Runner. And this isn't just any new car, it's the resurrection of a name that evokes pure American muscle. So crank up the air guitar and hit that subscribe button, because we're about to get loud with the 2025 Plymouth Runner. Design elements, classic muscle with modern bite. The first glimpse of the 2025 Runner is enough to drop your jaw. It's a clear homage to the classic lines that made the original a legend in the 1960s and 70s. The long, sculpted hood with a functional air intake screams power, while the wide fenders and aggressive stance hint at a car ready to pounce. Imagine sleek LED headlights and taillights with a menacing edge, giving it a contemporary feel. It's a perfect blend that will have you reminiscing about the glory days of muscle while setting your pulse racing in the present. But the 2025 Runner isn't stuck in the past. Think classic muscle car design with a modern infusion of bold graphics and the iconic Meep Meep cartoon Runner on the hood, a subtle nod to its heritage. Unique selling point, an American muscle icon reborn. The 2025 Plymouth Runner isn't just about reliving the past, it's about bringing the spirit of the American muscle car into the modern era. It's a car that offers a taste of history with the latest technology, performance, and safety features. It's a statement piece, a car that lets everyone know you appreciate classic muscle car looks but crave modern muscle car power. Performance unleashed, power worthy of the beep beep. Details from Plymouth are scarce, but rumors swirl like a smoky burnout. Whispers suggest a range of powerful engine options, from a base V8 offering a thrilling balance of performance and affordability to a monstrous supercharged Hemi for those who crave earth-shattering power. Regardless of the engine you choose, expect neck-snapping acceleration and a throaty exhaust note that will turn every drive into a symphony of muscle. Technical talk for the gearheads. For the gearheads out there, let's delve a bit deeper. The 2025 Runner is expected to offer a choice between a smooth shifting manual transmission and a responsive automatic option. Additionally, rumors of a limited slip differential in the high-performance models hint at putting all that power down effectively for maximum grip on the track or a thrilling backroad adventure. Step inside a driver-focused cockpit. The 2025 Runner offers a comfortable and stylish interior that blends classic muscle car cues with modern amenities. Imagine yourself gripping a retro-inspired steering wheel and gazing at a driver-centric instrument cluster, all wrapped in high-quality materials. Modern technology integrates seamlessly, with features like a large touchscreen infotainment system and a customizable digital display. But don't worry, muscle car purists, you'll still find some retro-inspired design elements to keep the classic vibe alive. The 2025 Plymouth Runner is more than a car, it's a symbol of American muscle reborn. It's a car that offers a range of options to suit different driving styles, all wrapped up in a package that pays homage to its legendary past. Let us know in the comments below what excites you most about the 2025 Runner. Would you choose the classic muscle car feel of the base V8 or the earth-shattering power of the rumored supercharged Hemi? Hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting car content, and as always, happy travels.